under this place, I search for Tron. So you can see Tron here. So you're going to bring out like this. Just click on this place. You see why I click? So just click on this place. It will on. And then click on it. Just tap on this place. It's going to open like this. So you see that this is 0 USDT. Just refresh. Keep refreshing. Let's keep refreshing. Alright. You see it has refreshed. This is awesome. This is 221.4 USDT. So if you keep doing it, you keep receiving this money and you can be able to send it to other wallets. And these are several wallets I have in this Trust wallet. Let me open this last one, which is main wallet 8. You see that I have $221 in this place. This $221 I claimed it for free on Trust wallet from this hack I want to teach you in this video now. So this money is not always the same in all the hacks you do. Sometimes it will be $50, sometimes it will be $1,000, sometimes $5,000. So as you keep doing it, that's how you keep receiving some money in this Trust wallet, and it's all for free. This is just USDT. I'm going to show you how you can claim free USDT Charles 20 on Trust wallet, and you are not needed to deposit any money before you can claim this money. It's all for free. So make sure you stay with me in this video to the very end, so as you learn step by step how I do it, and you start doing it and start claiming free USDT Charles 20 on Trust wallet. And this is just a passive income that can use to keep yourself comfortable every day without even stress. You don't need any stress to do this. It's just for free. So the first thing you need to do is just to go straight to Play Store and download Trust Wallet. If you do not have Trust Wallet before, just go to Play Store and search for Trust Wallet. This is Trust Wallet. I'll search for it on Play Store now. It's going to search now and bring out Trust Wallet for me. For those of you who do not have Trust Wallet, I want to use this procedure now to show you how you can download Trust Wallet. So this is Trust Wallet here. I'm seeing open here because I already have it in my mobile phone. For you that doesn't have it now, all you'll be seeing is install. So go ahead and install it in your mobile phone. And for those who already have it, just click on open. So it's going to open now, and when it opens now, you click on this icon here for those who already have Trust Wallet, and for those who do not have Trust Wallet, it will be taking you straight to this face which I will be taking you to now. So for those who already have Trust Wallet now, when you click on that place, you take it to this face. This list plus button over here, click on this plus button over here. You see create new wallet, add existing wallet. So you are not going to create a new wallet in this place. Just click on add existing wallet. So when you click on add an existing wallet now, you see different options in this place. So click on secret phrase. Remember, what you're going to click on this place is just this plus button. Don't click on create new wallet, click on add existing wallet. So when you show you these options in this place now, the one you're going to click on is secret phrase. So in this place now, you're also going to see different options in this place. You see multi-coin wallet. So forget about all these ones here, choose multi-coin wallet. So when you click on it now, it's going to bring out this place now. This is the place you are going to paste the phrase which I'm going to give you. So once you copy this secret phrase now, come back to Trust Wallet and paste that secret phrase in this place. So once you paste the secret phrase in this place, what you're going to do is to click on restore wallet. So when you click on restore wallet now, it's going to load and bring out the wallet. So you can see this is welcome aboard, start using Trust Wallet. So just click on start using Trust Wallet. So if you look at this place now, you see that there's no money here now. So what you need to do is just to click on this place. So when you click on it now, it's going to bring out this place. So in this search bar now, this search bar over here, search for USDT. So when you search for USDT now, you see different options for USDT here. So see different options. So the one you're going to look for is Tron USDT. So search for Tron USDT here. In case if you do not see it, you can also put Theta TRC20. So when you search for Tron USDT, when you search for USDT now, so go ahead now in this place, look for the one that has Tron USDT. Remember I say Tron USDT, not all of these ones. So just search down. You're definitely going to see the ones that have Tron USDT. So all these ones is not Tron USDT. Just keep going down, select Tron. Alright, so this is Tron USDT here. So you see where I go under this place, I search for Tron. So you can see Tron here. So you're going to bring out like this. Just click on this place. You see where I click? So just click on this place. On, and then click on it, just tap on this place, it's going to open like this. So you see that this is 0 USDT. Just refresh, keep refreshing. Let's keep refreshing. All right, you see it has refreshed. This is awesome. This is 221.4 USDT. So if you keep doing it, you keep receiving this money, and you can be able to send it to other wallets. And let's assume you want to withdraw it now. If you have any exchange like Binance, KuCoin, any other exchange, in case if you do not have any of this exchange like KuCoin, OKX, Lee.io, go to the description of this video. You see KuCoin link and OKX link. Click on the link and create an account on those exchanges. Then you can come here and transfer this USDT from here to any of the exchange, and then use the P2P button and withdraw it to your local bank account. So this is awesome. The more you do it, the more you claim this free USDT. So guys, I believe this is awesome and you find it helpful. If you really do, feel free to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification button, so as the more I keep you updated, the more you get notified, and you're not going to miss any trend on how to make money online. I'll be giving you latest updates on latest trend to make money online, especially on how to claim free USDT. So make sure you stay subscribed and your notification button turned on, so as you're not going to miss any update in this channel. If you need that phrase, you can go to the description box, see the link to my channel, my Telegram channel. Click on the link, join my Telegram channel. So if you want to copy that secret phrase now, the procedures you are going to take is just to go to the description of this video, and I drop a link to a Telegram channel which you will copy that secret phrase. Just click on that link, it will take you to this place. So when you come to this place, you are going to see this secret phrase here. Just click on it, highlight all of them to copy all of them. So when you click on it like this, you just click on copy. You will copy all of them, but make sure you join this channel, so as you always be updated in this channel about latest trends to make money online and how to claim free USDT. Make sure you join this channel, so as you're not going to miss any of these updates. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. In case if you have any question, you can ask me in the Telegram channel and I'll not hesitate to answer you. There is nothing hard in this place. Just follow the procedures I showed you now from the description box. You click on the link to join the Telegram channel. From the Telegram channel, you copy the secret phrase, then come to your trust wallet and paste the secret phrase, and you claim this free 221 USDT. It's always different amount anywhere. The more you do it, you say different amount, and you click it and copy it and claim it, transfer it to your exchange and withdraw it.